in the diagram below, KL segment is parallel to MN. This segment is parallel to MN. KN intersects LM at point O. Show that triangle LKO is similar to triangle MNO. Have to show that this triangle is similar to that. What we have given? We have given that KL segment is parallel to MN segment. This is given. Next, we have here that angle KOL and MON are vertical angles, so these two angles are also congruent. Angle KOL is congruent to angle NOM because they are vertical angles. And vertical angles are congruent. What else do we have here? Because KL is parallel to MN, so if we extend this two parallel segments, these two parallel sides are cut by transversal. This will be, for example, our transversal. We can take LM, it doesn't matter which we choose. These two parallel lines are cut by this line. So the alternate interior angles are congruent. If two parallel lines are cut by transversal, so the alternate interior angles are congruent. So we have that LKO angle is congruent to angle MNO. Because this is a different angle, so let's put two arcs. Angle LKO is congruent to angle MNO because they are alternate interior angles. So we have two congruent angles in triangle LKO and in triangle MNO. So we can write that from this information, because we have two congruent angles, we have that triangle LKO is similar to triangle MNO by angle similarity postulate. Because these two angles are congruent, so these two triangles LKO and MNO are similar by angle similarity postulate. This is my solution.